Most people buy their food in a supermarket, but this is how you forage for a true ancient river feast. The madness begins in a freezing, neon green mountain stream, hunting for submerged eggs. But the real prize is lurking in the weeds, a wild, prehistoric soft-shell turtle. To the untrained eye, it's a swamp creature, but to a master of mountain cooking, it's the ultimate rustic delicacy. She handpicks wild river grass and thousands of vibrant spring blossoms, turning the wild hillside into a royal pantry. Back at the open fire, the mechanical torture of preparation begins. She chops a whole free-range chicken and drops it into a roaring iron wok alongside the entire turtle, shell and all, boiling it down into a rich, bubbling, collagen-heavy stew. But the true visual alchemy is the riverweed. She boils the greens into a vibrant emerald broth that transforms into a thick, hypnotic, slimy glaze. A bizarre but incredibly healthy ancient delicacy. The colorful flower petals are steamed into a vibrant sweet cake. The final magic trick? A breathtaking multi-course emperor's feast, eaten right under the blossoming trees. A wild, prehistoric catch transformed into the ultimate rural banquet.